Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix screen brightness control not working on your Windows. If this is the case, let's go quick into the process. Right click on the start button, then here you have to select device manager, or if you can directly search for device manager in the Windows search bar, click on it and the same window will appear from here. Then here, simply locate your monitors. Right click on it, select if this is disabled in your case, because sometimes we accidentally disabled this driver, then you need to simply enable that. So let me quickly disable this. And then once this is disabled on your Windows, so you just need to make a right click and select enable device to make sure this is not disabled. Now once done, right click on it, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed and you have to close this. Also, we need to do that for the graphics card driver or the graphics card driver of our Windows. Click on display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now you might have a different graphics card driver from mine. So I have the Intel RUHD graphics. You could have the AMD or Nvidia. The process is just the same. Make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed and close this. If that didn't work, then you can update it manually. Make a right click in the same device manager window. Locate display adapters. This time you need to make a right click, update driver, and then choose the second option. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what driver will work for you and click on next. And Windows will successfully update your drivers. After that, you just need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.